In this video, we are focusing on managing and using classes in Jamf. What classes are, managing a class and creating groups, how to set restrictions on the fly, and what restrictions look like from the student perspective. What are classes in Jamf? When you open the Teacher app, you'll see classes and lesson templates in the sidebar. Selecting classes will display all your managed classes. Think of classes as a way to set quick, temporary restrictions on student devices during class time. Unlike lesson templates, which save your settings for reuse, anything you do inside classes is not saved. This makes classes perfect for locking students into a single app quickly, allowing only certain websites on the fly, restricting specific categories like games, temporarily turning off Safari, the camera, or spell checking. It's powerful, flexible, and designed for real-time teaching. Managing a class. To manage a class, tap Classes in the sidebar. Select the class you want to work with. From here, you can apply settings to the entire class, or you can set restrictions for individual students or custom groups. You can group students for targeted activities or interventions by creating a custom group. Scroll down to the bottom of the student list. Tap Plus, New Group. Enter a group name. Select the students for the group, then tap Create. Now you can apply settings just to that group. Starting restrictions. Tap who you would like to apply restrictions to. All students, an individual student, or a student group. Then select the desired restriction. When allowing specific websites, students will only be able to use the websites you've allowed. All other websites are restricted. To control which websites students can access, tap Allowed Websites, enable Clear After and set a time limit, tap Plus Add Link to enter a website URL, add as many links as you need, then tap Apply. Allowing specific apps is a great way to lock students into one or more apps. To choose which apps students can use, tap Allowed Apps, enable Clear After, and set a time limit. Tap the apps you want to allow. Check marks mean they are permitted. Unchecked apps become restricted. Tap Apply. Restricting app categories and built-in apps allows you to restrict app categories like games and built-in apps such as Safari, the camera, or screen recording. To restrict categories, tap Restrictions, turn on Clear After, and set a time limit. Any category or built-in app toggled to green will be restricted. To allow a category or function, untoggle. Then tap Apply. Allowed websites, apps, and restrictions go into effect as soon as student devices check in to Wi-Fi. If a device is offline, it will receive the restriction when it connects. There is no need to wait until you get a green checkmark. Even though restrictions in classes are not saved, you can start a saved lesson from the class's screen. To start a lesson, tap Start Lesson, enable Clear After to set the lesson duration, choose the lesson you want, then tap Start. To learn more about creating lessons and templates, check out video 3 in our Jamf video series. If you set a restriction time duration for longer than necessary, it's easy to clear restrictions early. To remove a restriction before the timer ends, tap Clear Restrictions and confirm. Then press Done. One important note: if a student comes to your class with restrictions that another teacher set, choosing Clear Restrictions for that student will remove all existing restrictions, including any from other classes. Restrictions can also be cleared when you leave the class by selecting Clear Restrictions and Leave in the confirmation window. What students see. From the student perspective, restrictions are simple and clear. When you start a restriction, student devices automatically shift into guided mode. This means that only the apps, websites, or restrictions you've allowed will be available. Anything restricted becomes temporarily inaccessible until the time set runs out. This creates an environment that keeps everyone focused on the learning at hand. Classes in Jamf give teachers flexible, real-time control to keep students engaged, focused, and on task on the fly. In the next video, we'll explore lesson templates and show you how to build reusable lessons that save you time. Lessons will also allow you to restrict apps, websites, and app categories and built-in apps all at once, creating a more customized setting for your class. With Jamf Teacher, you gain the tools to guide learning smoothly and keep every student on track. Less tech hassle means more time doing what you do best, teaching. Explore the rest of our Jamf video series for more tips to reduce stress and increase success. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more educator-friendly content.